Hello Kevin and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So I really hope that you enjoy the video. I'm going to be covering the website and the content, the Google business profile, and something that we call backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button, you have the email address, the menu over here of the different services that you provide, a little bit again here the services that you provide here, and the portfolio and the contact us form. So overall, it's an easy to navigate front page. You could potentially add the links to your social media accounts at the bottom. You could have the contact us form at the top and just make the click to call button a little bit bigger in terms of how user-friendly it is for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. Now, in terms of the amount of content, I can see that you have 248 words. And content is important and relevant because it's through content that you are able to include more relevant buyer intent keywords so that Google can easily find you and it can provide you as a valid result in the Google search. So let's have a look at two of your competitors. So Miami Certa Pro Painters, the South Miami landing page, they have the click to call button over here. They have the get free estimates. They have a blog as well over here, the pictures to the team, then links to the different services that they provide. And they have 1,078 words in just a landing page for South Miami. If I have a look at Big Green Man, this is a commercial painter for South Florida. They have around 833 words. So you see here that they are pushing through more relevant buyer intent keywords. So if I come here to the Google search, I type in commercial painters Miami. Google is going to show me, and you can do this for all of the services that you are actually providing, but just for painting. So the first section is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are a great mechanism to attract traffic, but they can be very expensive if it's not done correctly. Then this section is what we call the GBP or Google Business Profile. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank at the top you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the details on those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank in one of these top positions. The third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and to rank here you first need a website that is correctly built so that Google can find you, but you also need something that we call backlinks. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 3 backlinks that are directing traffic towards your website. If I have a look at Certa Pro Painters, these guys have 398 backlinks that are directing traffic towards their website. And if I have a look at Big Green Man, they have 1 backlink, but that's a landing page only, but they have 1 backlink in 1 referring domain. So just have a look at that backlink profile, because what you want is that you want to have links that are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to your industry, so that you can signal to Google that you are an authority and that your website is regarded as an authority in that particular field, and you can start rank up higher. Now, in terms of the organic keywords, your website is being found for 2 organic keywords, and those keywords are Eden House Miami Beach and Eden House Miami. If I have a look at Certa Pro Painters, they are being found for 106 organic keywords, and some of those keywords are Painting Contractor Miami, which has a search volume of 250, which is 250 people searching for that particular term per month, and they're in the 3rd position. Painters Miami, similar, 250 searches per month. They are in the 4th position. Commercial painting contractors, 60 searches per month, and they're in the 1st position. And because of that, they were able to drive 24, like the traffic is around 24 visits to their website. And you can see here that they're actually ranking for at the top for quite a number of buyer intent keywords. Now, anything beyond the 11th and 12th position means that that particular website is going to be already on the 2nd page of Google, so it's not going to be able to, it's not going to have that ability to drive too much traffic. But if you are sitting on the top positions, then it means that the click-through rate or the number of people that are going to end up in your website is going to be up higher. So basically what you want is that you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because then at the end you add up that total volume, and then a percentage of that total volume is going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video, Kevin. Please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. My name is Viviana Olaya, and my contact details are at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.